Let's do a very quick workshop update, and we'll just quickly show you what cars we're working on. So we got the Lotus, received an engine for this car, so we're back on deck with this car. That's the old engine, and the new very pretty engine is in the crate. Alright, got Jesse's car back. Yeah, he's a long-term customer, so just for a regular service to keep his car going. The car makes 407 kilowatt, and it's a serious car to drive on the road. Yeah, another Skyline here that came in for some repair, getting a new crank collar, a new oil pump, timing gear, and that's just about ready to go back in the car. So that'll be running again shortly. Still finalizing the ZRZ, so that's gonna get a bigger exhaust system now, because with the supercharger it's too restrictive, and factory it's very small. The ZRZ had a forged engine plus supercharger upgrade, and yeah, it's been in the final stages. It's got a water meth kit on it, and just need to finalize the tune. A couple of Evo 10s in the shop as well. So one for an engine build that turned into a bit more. So transfer case and gearbox have some issues as well that are getting sorted at the moment. And then another Evo 10 here that had a rod out the block that's got a replacement engine, and it's now just getting a bunch of upgrades before it'll be tuned. Over here we've got Anton's R33. That's a big build. We've finally got the RB26 in it. So looks very nice and shiny. And I'm sure we're gonna do a proper update on this car in the future. Got one of the transfer cases of the Evo in there, and also a bunch of Subaru gearboxes that we're working on at the moment. So that's the engine from the other Skyline outside that's just had some repair work done. That's ready to go back in. Over here we've got an old RS Legacy engine that's getting a restore pretty much, with all new, yeah, basically just restore. Darren's engine is also in the works, so that's a Vision 1.2 on the other side, and that's got a bit of a mix-up engine, so a 2.5 bottom end with 2-liter heads. A couple other short blocks that we've got on the go. One there that's just been closed-decked, and then another JRB build on the other bench with some nice RCM bits and bicycle rods. And we've got a couple of baffled sumps here that we've just produced. They're always a popular item, so we've just done a whole run of them. Very popular item for all the EJs, and we've got a whole lot of EZ30 ones as well. Another Toyota 86 here that's just come in for servicing and tuning work. A little bit of a track car that's got upgraded brakes, so you can see the Wilwood calipers front and back. Got nice coilover suspension, all upgraded suspension arms, sway bars. Got a remote oil cooler, and yeah, now it's just been tuned for more power. Got a little display here with a few common brands that we stock and like to offer people. So a bunch of ID stuff, radium hangers, rails, ECUs, bit of a range of Turbo Smart products, clutches, some white line components, and then cob and AMS. Everything that you can see here is all on the online store, and that's going through the roof. Yeah, it's a busy operation. Now, if you need help with anything, give us a call or have a look on our website, and I'm sure you'll find some interesting products there. See you next time.